Oh, meow daw, meow. Asan na yung isa mong anak? Ba't isa lang dala mo? Ha? Meow, meow?
I can push this off, yeah?
Meow. Meow din siya, meow. Tang Miming, ipasok na namin yung motor. Okay, pasok na sa bahay. Wala ka na kasama dito. Wala na mapakain sa'yo, no? Ikaw, Miming na maliit. Ayun, tumakbo na. Meow, meow. Okay. Pasok na yung motor. Pasok. Pasok na yung motor. Where did you put it?
Put it over here.
Beside the table?
Yep. Can you take the front end?
No, you can do it. That is too small. That's okay.
I can do that.
Of course you can.
I am not.
Oh, gonna be there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you get the front end?
Alright, okay. I'm gonna help you then.